Hello, in this video I want to show you a few different useful tips on how to set up Redmi 12R for an elderly senior person. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Right here, first thing is on the display. We should be able to find the font and the text size. And I would set it to extra large, just like that. You can also change the size however you like, but from me it is recommended to do it this way. Next thing is to scroll down to the additional settings, and right here find accessibility. There's a few different tabs right there, and we're gonna go for vision. Then change the display size to also large, or you can go for the S if you like, but it's recommended to set it as large. You can also enable magnification like I have right here, and when it's enabled, this icon will show up, and if you press on it and press anywhere on the screen, it will zoom in. Press anywhere else and it will also zoom into a different place. Now if you want to leave it, then simply click on this magnification icon again. There's option to change the color correction if somebody needs it. You can remove animations by enabling this setting, and this will reduce motion sickness on this device. There's hearing settings that you can adjust with mono audio being enabled or disabled. Change audio balance more from left to right speaker, and also if you have any devices that help with hearing, aid you with hearing, you can click right here and connect them. And that's basically all of the settings I recommend to change for this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.